actually know the last time I filmed stuff for the studio, so hi. This might be in another vlog or this might be the start of a vlog, I'm not too sure. I thought I'd just update you on what I've been doing. So I think I had my sale, it took up so much time like packing and getting all the orders ready, so I've been doing that. And then I quickly made some more charms to go online. They're online on my website now, some leopard print ones. I need to get more leopard print because I ran out of leopard print to make more. I would have made more than 4. If you've seen my videos before, you know that I make these as like, I've been making them forever, but they're like little attachments, and bag charms are super popular at the moment, so that is great. There's my tote bag, and then I can just kind of attach on like that. Got a few of them online, so I was getting them ready last week. What else have I been up to? Oh, I've been working on some new star bags. I don't think I've shown you them. Some cream white ones for a special collection, so I'll probably get on with making more of these this week. I have another one cut out. I'm pretty much ready to go, so I'll get that done. Then I have loads of other fabrics that I can kind of make similar bits. So yeah, that's the plan for this week. I thought I'd just catch you up. You haven't really missed much. Yeah, and I'm gonna make some coffee and get into the day today. Yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying all the videos. It's been lovely to see kind of a little bit of growth on this channel and to interact with everyone. If you are enjoying my content and you're not subscribed, it'd be great if you could. It really makes such a difference to kind of helping this channel grow, helping other people see the content, especially if you're liking it, leaving comments and all that kind of stuff. Yeah, that all really helps and I really appreciate it. I really do. And I love having a chat with you as well down in the comments. Yeah, so I'm going to get back to work and we'll catch up in a bit. Good morning. Did I film yesterday? It might have been the day before yesterday. Anyway, the other day I was working away, so I thought I'd show you what I finished making. So I made these collars. I've had them cut out for so long, so I had to get them made. So I got them done. They'll be part of my summer collection to go online, or new collection I suppose, because it's quite late into summer, but they go along with the new collection. So I'm going to get them online. So warm. I'm going to just take off my jacket. I'm going to a show tonight to see Waxahachie perform. I saw her maybe 2 years ago, or was it last year? I can't remember. Yeah, so I'm kind of a little bit dressed up. Anyway, and then I finished making these star bags, which are kind of a cream version, which I'm holding on to for my new collection launching in November. So you guys are seeing them here first, but they're my cream ones. And then I have these, I always add like little bits to where you can attach your charms and everything, and I have gotten little charms and crystals and stuff that I'm going to add on. So I will accessorize as always. Everything always gets accessorized. These ones were screen printed, so I screen printed them, and then this is upcycled lace, and then they have a big lace bow as well. I really like that. Yeah, so I got all of those done, which took a good while to do, and now I think I have this bit of fabric left from this, matches in with the new collection, so I think I will today finish just using this to make a skirt to have that done. I also have this gorgeous jersey, this like vintage jersey fabric. I love this so much. I think when I'm back screen printing, I'm going to screen print like little designs like this to kind of have fabrics that are a bit simpler. There's a bit more space going on, but that there's still a print. I love the little bow details, so cute. So I think I might use all this and make a skirt today. Yes, so that is the plan. I'm going to get into the day, make some coffee and everything like that, and we'll catch up in a bit. Good morning. It is Friday. I don't think I updated you yesterday, sorry, on what I finished. So remember I said I was working on this skirt. I got that finished. So that was like the rest of the fabric to match the summer collection with the screen print, and then I added this like lace top, and it's just a really cute skirt. So I think I'll put that online because there's a lot of pieces already in my stockist, so it's nice to have a few bits online. Got that I worked on yesterday. Now, before I start my studio day, I'm just gonna go out and film like a little reel with one of my star bags and my charm, because I put these up online and I don't really have any content of them styled, so I'm going to do that. There's a good few of these that I put up. I'll leave my website link below, but yeah, I made a few of these this week, and then this is one of my star bags from my collection last year. Let me show you actually. So there's loads of different types of charms. So there are the leopard print ones, but then there's loads of different ones. So have a look online if you're interested to have a look on my website. Yes, so I'm going to run out now and film this just in case it rains, and then we'll come back and get on with the studio day. It's literally just started raining. Put you down a bit. Yeah, so here is the bag that I am filming. So just come out, it's actually so windy, but I'm just filming the bag outside. It started raining as well, but yeah, that's how it looks with the star bag. Oh, good morning. I'm not sure the last time we caught up, so this could either be the start of a video or halfway through a video, but I thought I'd show you what I've been working on. Been working on these kind of sheer pieces, flowy pieces, kind of for next year's season. I think I showed you a few other bits that I've been doing, but it's kind of like a small bridal collection that I've been working on, which I will launch for next year. So I've been kind of doing a few pieces for that in between orders and everything like that. But yeah, I really like this piece that I'm working on. So there's a festival on this weekend that I'm working at with the group of designers that I did the Dublin Fashion Week with last year. There's one or two videos of Dublin Fashion Week on my YouTube, and it's an event we put together as designers in Dublin because there is no fashion week, and Dublin is a big European city, but we don't have a fashion week. And that's something I really noticed after coming back from London, which is obviously like such a hub for designers, that there's just not really the same kind of platform. So yeah, we started that event, which went really well, and we're doing it again this year. But we were invited as a group to go to Electric Picnic, which is a festival in Ireland that happens, and it's kind of like the last of the festival season, so it's mid-August, and we're doing upcycling workshops at that. So hopefully I'll be able to bring you and record what I can while I'm there. But I wanted to make something to wear, so I've been working on this piece, which then I'm like, oh my god, I'd love to just like continue making pieces like this. So hopefully I'll get that finished today. And then I wanted to make maybe a few accessory bits to bring, so I'll keep you updated anyway on what's going on. I'm trying to think if there's anything else new. There's kind of been lots going on, I suppose, behind the scenes, trying to organise the next fashion week. That is like a huge job in terms of like constant meetings and Zooms and stuff to do and emails, and there's a lot going on behind the scenes, I suppose. But I have definitely noticed this channel has grown in the past kind of few months. Yeah, so if you're a new subscriber or you've joined the channel this year, thanks so much. I hope you're really enjoying my content of like the studio vlogs and the outfits of what I'm wearing. It's kind of a mix of the two. As it stands right now, that's the easiest thing for me to do because it's like filming what I'm actually doing rather than putting time aside to film a standalone video, which I just don't have the time. Anyway, I hope you're enjoying, and always leave me feedback and everything in the comments, because I really do read them and respond to them. Yeah, but I'm going to go ahead, start my day, make some coffee, and we'll catch up in a bit.